Welcome to Anushka's Kitchen and Vlog. In this video, you will see how to make pasta in white sauce. The first step is to cook the pasta. So take water, add salt and oil, mix it well. Cover it and allow it to boil. Once the water boils, add the pasta, mix it well, cover and let it cook. Don't overcook it. You can just cut it and see that it's cooked well. Once it is cooked well, drain the excess water and keep it aside. Now we'll make the white sauce. For this, heat a pan, add around 1 tablespoon of butter. Once the butter melts, add the all-purpose flour. And immediately mix it. Saute it well and see that no lumps are formed. Now we can add the milk little by little. You can mix it continuously. Till the sauce thickens. Once the sauce thickens, add the oregano and Italian mixed herbs. If you don't have mixed herbs, you can use parsley or basil, whichever is available. Add chili flakes, salt and pepper. Mix it well. And your sauce should be this consistency, not too thick, not too thin. So your sauce is ready. Now we'll make the white sauce pasta. Heat a pan. Add the olive oil. Once the olive oil is hot, add the minced garlic and stir it well. You'll get a nice aroma. You can add the chopped vegetables. Here I've taken broccoli, carrot and some corns. You can add vegetables of your wish. But just remember that don't overcook the vegetables. The vegetables need to be perfectly cooked. It should be little crunchy. Add Italian herb and oregano. As I said before, you can add parsley or basil, whichever is available. Add chili flakes. Main ingredient is the oregano, which will give a nice taste to this pasta. Cover it and cook it. Once the vegetables are nice and crunchy, you can add the boiled pasta. Mix it well. And then we can add our white sauce. The white sauce has a tendency to thicken. So when you're serving, you can add it and serve, or else it will get thickened very fast. Stir it well and then you can add our grated cheese. You can use Parmesan or mozzarella. Here I've used the cheddar cheese. That is what was available with me. Friends, your white sauce pasta is ready to serve. Believe me friends, this pasta is not only favorite of kids but adults too will love it. And not only that, it's more healthy because we have added loads of vegetables. So hope you like this recipe. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe it now and press the bell icon to receive notification on all my future videos. Thank you.